In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable the option so that any app you have on your phone can install apps you download from anywhere you want. To be able to install apps from unknown sources, well, every phone has a way of doing it, but the general way that I found that works is by going to settings. You can go through all the apps on your phone and then you look for settings. So settings over here, and next you access the search bar up here. All you have to do next is just search for install unknown, and you should see an option that says install unknown apps. So if you tap on it, you're going to see the option again. For my phone, it's down here. I'll show you on my other phone if you want. So you can see all the apps that I have on my phone, and I'll get to choose if I want the app to be able to install apps if I use them to download an APK file, for example. So for example, if I tap on the Chrome app, you can see that it has that option enabled, so I can install apps using Chrome. But if I don't want Chrome to be able to install apps, then I can tap this to disable it. So on this phone, to access that feature, you have to go through settings, then you scroll down till you get to privacy protection, and then there's special permissions down here. You tap it and you can see it. You can see it down here, install unknown apps. So yeah, that's the long way of reaching the option. On my other device, on the settings page, I have to go to app management, not privacy, and I'll see special, I think this one, special app access. And yeah, this is it over here, install unknown apps. So it's basically the same thing. From here, I can choose an app and I can either allow or disallow it from installing APK files.